What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red.
Red is okay, but I like green. What kind of red do you like? Red is okay, but I like green. What kind of red do you like?
A darker red, like this apple. A darker red, like this apple.
I prefer a lighter green, like my new car. I prefer a lighter green, like my new car.
Your car is bright green? Your car is bright green?
Yes, my car is a really bright green. Yes, my car is a really bright green.
That sounds interesting. Can you show it to me? That sounds interesting. Can you show it to me?
Sure, let's look at my car right now. Sure, let's look at my car right now.